Okay, I'm really not hating. No, yeah. I'm 100% hating on whatever this thing is. This thing apparently is the wand dice, and these little things are dice, and you can spin them. And then there's red dots where it stops and it tells you what the number is, and they're in weird, crazy, cryptic numbers. But I was like, wait a minute, common sense is kicking in. That's not dice. Dice aren't on a rod. So I asked Google. We get two variations. I'm going to do it in reverse. I just want to show you this spinning. I mean, it is cool. It is cool, but it's got a devil on the top. I'm not a big fan of that. Generally, no. While die spinning on a rod might resemble die in terms of shape and makings, it wouldn't function true as die because it wouldn't generate random results in the way of a traditional die would roll. Die, you know, as in dice, that's just what it's called. You can see up top I wrote dice. On the other hand, dice, a small cube with each side having a different number on the spot. It ranging from 1 to 6, thrown and used in gambling and other events. Now I understand I'm talking about like Dungeons and Dragons and Wizards and Warlocks, and you know, they don't have square cubes, they got numbers. But I do agree with the random, because how do we know how the weight is on this thing? The devil. The devil. How do we know if there's a heavy side or a light side? You know, and it's spinning, so if it moves, it will affect the way it spins, and it spins for a really long time. Who wants to sit there and watch that thing spin for 30 fucking seconds? I'm just saying, the wand dice is not dice. It's a fancy wizard wand with some Dungeons and Dragons dice attached to it. But it is not dice.